Hey guys, today I am pleased to tell you that I have my 3 grandchildren here from 2 of my children, and we're going to be making Toll House cookies. I've already taken all the ingredients and prepared them, measured them rather. So I have the original Toll House cookie recipe right here, which I hope you can see because they don't print it anymore on the packaging. But I will tell you what we have here today. So today we have here 2¼ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt. Back here I've already creamed 2 sticks of butter, which equals 1 cup of butter. Here we have 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Here I have 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and right here I have 2 eggs already cracked with my vanilla. So for this recipe we're going to need a bag of Toll House chocolate morsels and 1 cup of chopped nuts if you are not allergic to nuts, and you can have them. So we're going to start by taking this big bowl, and I'm going to put it here in front of my grandson, and he's going to dip the powdered ingredients in the bowl. Thank you. All right, put this here. I'll take the bowl.
Okay.
Now if you can just take the whisk and stir it. Make sure that all of the ingredients are mixed together before we prepare our cookies. You can keep mixing there, and then we'll continue with the girls, okay? So now here, like I said, I've got a bowl of softened butter. Now my next granddaughter is going to take the white sugar and she's going to pour it into this bowl. Wonderful, thank you. Now I have my next granddaughter, and she's going to put in the brown sugar. This is a great project for this weekend with my grandchildren. Now I think I'll take the slimy eggs and pour it in here. Oh, what do you guys think about that?
No. Slimy.
Yeah. So I'm going to start mixing this one because it's a little heavier. How you doing over there, Papa? You getting all that mixed up good?
Yep.
Girls, you're doing a great job helping Grams. I'll get this mixed a little bit, and then what we'll do is
Pour this.
I'll
Pour that in here.
not yet, because Grandma has to mix this, because look at it, it's still not incorporated.
Ugh.
Yeah.
It looks like brown muffins.
Brown poop. I mean,
Alrighty, I'm mixing this. I think I need my big son to help me get something that I forgot to grab. Papa. Oh, he's not here?
He's upstairs.
Oh, he's upstairs? Okay.
Go get him.
That's okay. It's okay.
I can finish this.
Yes, you could help mix it while he's...
I'm right here.
Okay. Let me pause the video for a second while
Alright,
guys, so we're back. Sorry for that little intermission. I needed to grab another ingredient, which is, I forgot to grab my chocolate chips. Alright. This is Grandma's privileges. Here, have a chocolate chip. Here, have a chocolate chip. Here,
Thank you.
have a chocolate chip, and 1 for me. Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our whisk out of here. You girls want to stir this before we put it over there?
Yeah.
This is my older granddaughter. And this is her little sister. 1 is 7, 1 is 6. And my big guy over there who's been helping along.
I'm also 7.
He's also 7. Alright, so I'm going to clean the spoon with my little spatula. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to pour it into our dry ingredients. Alrighty, so let's bring this into the camera. And I'm going to dump it in here. And I know I have a bunch of grandchildren. I can't wait to dig into these cookies. Am I right, guys?
Yeah.
Wow.
But guys, you guys probably remember me from the last video when I was drawing.
Yeah, this is my big guy who was drawing in a video that he made on my YouTube channel.
And
Alright,
he made
so
a
then-
cool thing.
Okay, so that's that. So who wants to dump this into there? All right, we got 3 people. So we got 3 hands. Come on, everybody, together. Yay. Thank you. Now Grandma's going to do all the heavy mixing. And then when we come back, we're going to be scooping out our cookies onto a cookie sheet, and I'll be using my cookie scooper. So I will mix this off camera so that way I can pull it closer to me and my babies can help while we're doing this. Does anybody want to help right now? Come on. Everybody takes a turn. Everybody takes a turn. Don't spill it though.
Your hair. Oh, no.
Okay, you can't get... Okay, now you can't get in front of the camera because then nobody sees anything. All right, baby boy. Yeah, you see why Grams has to help here? It's a little hard, huh? You want that? Yeah, next? All righty. Come on. Get your muscles in there. Let's go. Dig down to the bottom. Come on this side. This is my older one. She's also 7. Oh, is my 7.5 wants you to know she's 7.5. All right, guys. So we're gonna come back in a minute after it's all mixed up. Guys, we're back. I have here our dough. It's been properly mixed. I've pulled out our cookie sheets that are lined with silicone pad. And here I have a mystery hand with a cookie scooper. So we're going to be using the cookie scooper here. And I'm going to have my grandchildren help me place the cookies on the cookie sheet. One moment. Let me get it for you here. So I want you to put one here. Scoop it out. All right, now I'm going to give it to my next granddaughter. And she's going to put a cookie. She's going to put a cookie right here. There you go. So that's number 2. Now we're going to have my younger granddaughter, and she's going to squeeze it and give me a nice cookie right here. And I'm going to do the next one, and when we come back, we're going to have baked cookies. Now, I did remind my girls and my grandson and myself, we all wash our hands and practice clean hands. Guys, let me see.
My hands are already clean.
Let me see these beautiful hands on camera. Yes, these are beautiful, clean, sparkly hands. And I have preheated the oven, which I forgot to mention, 350 degrees. And the cookies are going to bake 12 minutes in the oven. So when we come back, we'll show you these cookies already made and happy kids with a glass of milk. All right, guys, thank you for watching. All right, guys, so I'm back. Here's the last batch of cookies that I made. And here's the first batch. And I want my grandkids each to grab cookies.
I'm going to be the last one.
Go ahead, have a cookie,
I'm
Papa.
letting them go first.
No, I want you to grab a cookie.
I'm gonna
What
grab
a
the
gentleman.
big bag.
What a gentleman. Did you guys hear that he wanted the girls to get their cookies first? Okay, guys. So I hope you've enjoyed my little tutorial with my beautiful grandchildren.
Give a like, thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe and also push the notification button so that way when I make more videos,
And
you guys
ring
can see
that
it.
bell.
Ring that bell. We know who watches YouTube videos here. All right, guys, thank you for watching. And remember, children, you can only do this with adult supervision because everything here is hot and we want to stay safe and not get our little fingers burned. Right, guys?
Yeah.
Who's got the best grandma?
Us.
I don't hear nothing.
Us.
Yay! All right, guys, thank you for watching.
Bye.
Okay.